In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete the bank from Apple Pay Cash. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove a card from Apple Wallet so it's no longer available for Apple Pay or Apple Cash transfers on your iPhone. This doesn't close your bank account or cancel the physical card. It only removes the secure digital version stored on your device. Start by unlocking your iPhone and opening the Wallet app. This is the app where all your payment cards, passes, and your Apple Cash card live. If Wallet asks for Face ID or Touch ID, go ahead and authenticate so you can access your cards. Next, choose the specific card you want to remove. In the example shown, it's a Wise card, but it can be any debit or credit card you've added for Apple Pay. Make sure you're selecting the actual payment card you want to delete, not the Apple Cash card itself. Removing a payment card means you won't be able to use that card for Apple Pay in stores, apps, or online from this iPhone, and it may affect Apple Cash transfers if that was your only linked funding source. Once you're viewing the card, look to the top right corner and tap the small info icon, the eye. This opens the card's settings and details. Here you can see device-specific options for the card, along with security and transaction settings. These controls apply only to the digital card on this device. Scroll to the bottom of the settings and choose Remove Card. This option tells Apple Wallet to delete the secure payment token associated with your card from the iPhone. You might be prompted to authenticate again with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. That's normal and it's there to make sure only you can remove your payment methods. Finally, confirm that you want to remove the card. After you confirm, the card will disappear from Wallet on this iPhone, and it will no longer be available for Apple Pay purchases or Apple Cash transfers here. Any pending transactions you've already made with the card will still process as usual, and your physical card remains active with your bank. If you use the same card on other devices, it will stay on those devices unless you remove it there as well. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you rely on this card for recurring payments via Apple Pay, update those payment methods with a different card. You can add a replacement card at any time by tapping the plus button in Wallet. If you don't see Remove Card, make sure your iPhone is updated and that you're viewing the card settings. And that's it, your bank card is now removed from Apple Pay on your iPhone.